Welcome to Assist Training Videos. Today's topic is TABE test data entry. In this video, we will talk about where to enter TABE tests in a student record. We'll discuss what the required fields are for TABE tests and go over some tips for entering TABE tests successfully. From the Student Contact Information screen, you will go to the Assessments tab in order to enter any tests. On the Assessments tab, there are links for entering various types of tests, but today we're going to look at the TABE. So by clicking the TABE link, Assists will enable data entry fields to put TABE tests in. Please note that when entering the date, it must be a 2-digit month, 2-digit day, and 4-digit year. The next field is the type of test. In most cases, you will be entering a TABE reading or TABE math score. In some cases, you might have a TABE language or TABE Espanol, but please note that only the TABE reading and TABE math are valid as NRS tests. When entering a TABE reading test, once you've clicked TABE reading, Assist is going to refresh the screen, and then you will choose the level of the test. There are 5 choices for level. Once you choose the level, you will choose the form of the test. There are 4 choices for form. Please note that as of fiscal 2011, only the TABE 9 and 10 are valid as NRS tests. Once you've clicked the form, you will go on to enter the subscores. In the case of the TABE reading, there is only one subscore. You must enter the subscore, which is the number correct in the reading section. It is not possible for Assist to accept any other information in order to calculate the TABE grade equivalent or state ed level. You must enter the subscore. After entering the subscore in this field, we suggest that you use the Tab key on your keyboard to move to the next field. This will force Assist to refresh the screen and fill in the remaining fields with the appropriate information based on that subscore. If this test is a pre-test, you can click the pre-test checkbox. Then please choose the appropriate administrator off of the drop-down menu. This list comes from your personnel records, so anyone who works for your agency who has a personnel record in Assist should be listed on this list. Once you have completed all of these fields, you can click the Insert button and Assist will save that score. It will put it in either the pre-test section if the pre-test checkbox was checked off, or the post-test section if the pre-test checkbox was left blank. Usually TABEs are given in pairs of a TABE math and a TABE reading. If you do have the other part of the test, you can go ahead and use these now blank entry fields to do that. Again, you will choose the date, the type of test, the level of test, the form, and in the case of math, you will enter 2 subscores. We suggest that you use the Tab key after each of those subscores, which again will force Assist to refresh these fields that get calculated based upon the subscores. Once you have chosen whether or not this is a pre-test and entered the test administrator, click the Insert button and Assists will insert that test into the student's record in the appropriate section. The next video topic we suggest is the BEST Plus data entry. If you have any questions, please make sure to contact your assigned Assist support person or email assistsupport@lacnyc.org for help.